Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna take trades with price action, candlestick psychology, and I hope you guys enjoy this session. Okay, beautiful. And if the price comes down any further, I'm gonna enter again. Right, beautiful. As you can see, we are coming from a trend line, okay, and we have an engulfing candle, right, and we have a supply right here. I'm for sure know the price will close up above this line. It will close above my line. I'm pretty sure. I'm not sure about the first one, but I'm sure about the second one. It will close above my line. All right, this is price action 101. Beautiful. Come on, what's going on? Beautiful, beautiful. See, it closes right on my line. Guys, if you're interested in my mentorship, you can contact me on Telegram. All right, my admin will reach back to you as soon as possible for 2 trades. Okay, I'm going to explain why I took this trade, right? As you guys could see, this is a engulfing candle, okay, and we have a gap down. Because the money is in the way, I can't show you, but there is a gap down. And in the financial markets, inside gaps love to be filled, okay, and we are touching a supply area right here, so I'm expecting a rejection somewhere here, okay. I'm also expecting a rejection. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, I'm not gonna take no more trade here. All right, guys, I almost missed this trade. I was late. As you can see, we closed on the supply area, right? And close on the supply area, and we have a strong candle giving us a signal for a buy. And yes, we took that trade. Beautiful, magnificent. Let's find our next trade. Today market is very smooth, I'm not gonna lie. Right, nice. As you can see, there was a double top, okay, and a 3-bar down. So I know that this is a very strong signal, okay. All right, let's see if there's no more opportunity down here. Let me get my drawings. Okay, I think there's an opportunity. Yeah, I'm gonna take this. The reason why I took this, hold on, let me see. Yeah, beautiful. The reason why I took this trade here, it's because I saw the common points of rejection, and there was a double top and a 3-bar down, and I'm expecting the price to go down, but I'm expecting it to reject at this point also. Guys, this is Candlestick Psychology 101. I teach this in my mentorship, so if you're interested, you can contact me on Telegram. Right, I'm taking this right here. The reason why I took this, I could see the price rejected from the support area, and I saw this common points of rejection. So I'm pretty confident the price will close below my line. Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. This is enough reasons for me to take this trade. The third candle closes very weak, so that's telling me that sellers entered on this candle here, so I know it's not strong. All right, beautiful, magnificent. Okay, so this supply here, I have to rush in very quickly. If it comes back up, I'm gonna enter some more higher, please. I wanted it to come a little bit more higher. Okay, unfortunately it didn't. Okay, the reason why I took this trade, I could see this is a engulfing candle and this is a support area. Okay, the price rejected from the support area gave me an engulfing candle, plus I had a gap up, and in the financial market gaps like to be filled, so I know the gap will be filled. Plus there was a strong engulfing candle and the price rejected from the support area. Tells me a lot. Beautiful. And this will be my final trade for my session. Magnificent. Okay guys, so I want to take the time out again to tell you guys, if you want to learn trading, you can contact me on Telegram, right? I have partial payments for my mentorship also. If you're interested, just reach out to me and I will reach back to you as soon as possible. Peace out.